Wadhi County ma Migori kama Gavana wa Migori Ochillo yako kawuono no ketie tago maliet kod committee mar Senate mayango tije counties. Ochillo mana inono heavy report mara pisi manono buge omenda mag piny owacho no luyo seyo ne tend Gavana machono Sirkand Obado kama no yangore nyim committee no ne nitiere jimoko mano tisni Sangwenyas mana yudo chudo karadoko ni chik oko puodho gi kaka jotije county. Walter Nyambaga negiler.
In committee mar Senate mochwe Concord Senator ma Homa Bay Moses Kajwang, Gavana ma Migori ochopo mar chiwo dwoko ewi mibadhi moko majanon buge mar omenda mar piny owacho okoni chichgo. Senators ne dwaro ng'eyo chudo mar omenda mar $1,108,000 kaka ne otim maonge kod puoth kaka chik dwaro ka chich nitiere ni kosnegi omenda mane otigo de chulo lethe moko ma otisi ni Sangwenyas.
Or we must tell them if it was fiction. If it was fiction by political detractors, we must also say, now that you are in office, are there Sangwenyas in the employment of Migori County government? They existed before you were...
Yes, that is true. My senator confirms, and I confirm, that Sangwenyas were generally young persons who were retained by the then administration, purporting to work for the public, but just doing the bidding of that administration, and it has been our work. So your question as to whether the 38 are the ones responsible for the 108 million, they are just part of it. The larger part was because of the county assembly.
Senator Manandi bende dwaro ng'eyo kaka chudo mag jotije to kod pesa mosetigo chopo $2,000,000 to kod lai ma itiyo godo mar loko jotije manyawawa.
In your own assessment after taking over 8 months ago, what is the total number of casual laborers in Migori County?
When we invited people to come for the HR audit, over 100 did not show up. A particular officer in security for receiving money, pretending that it was she was acting on behalf of the previous first lady.
Kamiti no benene nono maromo $1,500,000 mane otigo de nyiewo chope manyasani mar reso jodak manyatike ma wachore ni kalo midhiero mag oula. Jatelo bende okoni nyaka sani pod onge kod apisi mar gavana kalure kod chik mane ogol kod SRC ni onge kod apisi ne gavana ni mano en tok chik.
My personal residence.
Are you operating from where the previous governor was operating?
The SRC issued an edict that county governments must never rent or must never rent premises for governors and deputy governors, and therefore Migori County is not renting any residence for me. What the county governor used to use as his residence is now my office. I use it as an office.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Kuramga Jwang en dakika